is Lee Sterling of ParamountSports.com, and off 3 out of 4 winning Saturdays, a winning Sunday, a winning Monday. A lot of people are excited about this weekend, and so am I. I am poised and ready to deliver a huge weekend. Now, a lot of people call this month October. I call it Locktober because this is when the pros do their best work. What do we have going this week? You can get every single game I have starting on Thursday through Monday, October 31st. 2 weeks of games of Locktober. Normally $297. We've discounted it down to $197, and if you use coupon code save50, just $147. That's right, you heard me correct. 2 weeks of games, you're going to get probably between 28 and 30 ball games, just $147. Not $297, not $197, $147 if you use coupon code save50 at ParamountSports.com, or give us a call here at the office, 800-400-9741, and start winning today.